Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add LLM.txt in Shopify. Alright, so let's begin with the video. By the end, you'll have a working setup where your policy file is accessible from your domain's root through a simple URL. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard using an account that has permission to manage content. From the left-hand menu, go to the Content section and then open Files. This is where Shopify stores uploaded assets like documents and images. Click on Upload Files and select your prepared text file that contains your LLM directives. The file name itself isn't critical, since Shopify will generate a public URL for it. Once the upload is complete, locate the file in the list and copy its URL using the link icon. Keep this link ready, as you'll need it in the next step. Now, you'll create a clean path for accessing this file from your domain. Still under the Content section, go to Menu section. Then from here, open URL Redirects. This feature allows you to map a simple path on your site to another destination. Click on Create URL Redirect. In the Redirect From field, type /LLM.txt exactly, including the slash and using lowercase. In the Redirect to field, paste the file URL you copied earlier. Double-check that there are no extra spaces, then save the redirect. After saving, open a new browser tab and test it by entering your store's public URL, followed by /LLM.txt. Make sure you're using the storefront domain, not the admin link. If everything is set correctly, you'll either see the file contents displayed or the file will download. If it doesn't load immediately, try refreshing the page, using an incognito window, or clearing your browser cache. And that's it. So that's basically how you can add LLM.txt in Shopify. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.